Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So today I have created this sparkly shimmery golden olive eye makeup look for Durga Puja. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching.
Okay, so I'm going to prime my skin first, and today I'm using the Benefits the Professional Primer. For my foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 290. And I'm going to mix Anastasia's Liquid Glow with this foundation. So this is in the shade Oyster. For my concealer, I'm going to apply JOUER's Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in the shade Honey. Nowadays, if I don't sleep properly, I get very emotional, I get very cranky. So I'm feeling a little emotional right now. Now I'm going to set my concealer with Maybelline's Fit Me powder in the shade Light Medium 20. And I'm going to set my foundation with NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation in the shade Golden. For my blush and highlighter, today I'm using ColourPop's Blush Highlighter Duo, and this is how it looks. So this is the blush and this is the highlighter. And now I'm going to fill in my brows with PAC's Eyebrow Definer, and I'm going to mix these two shades. And I'm going to fill in my brows with this brush. It actually comes with this palette. So let's start with eye makeup now. So first I'm going to prime my eyelid with Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer portion. So today I am going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Gold eyeshadow palette, and it is such a gorgeous eyeshadow palette, guys. It looks like this. So first I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow. It's called Cocoa Truffle. And now I'm going to go in with OLLA for a dollar, or HOLLA for a dollar. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's mostly HOLLA, or OLLA is different, so maybe HOLLA, which is this. This eyeshadow has a lot of fallout, so I have to be really careful. Now I'm going to apply this beautiful gold eyeshadow. It's called Chocolate Gold. I'm just going to wet my brush. I'm going to again take that green eyeshadow and deepen my outer corner. So now I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and I'm applying Milani's Stay Put Matte Liquid Liner in the shade Black Matte. So now for my lower lash line, first I'm going to apply gold eyeshadow, which is chocolate gold. And I did wet my brush. And I'm also going to apply this eyeshadow on my inner corner, on my tear duct. Now just on this area, okay, I'm going to apply this one. I'll just slightly pull inwards, just this much. Okay, now I'm going to apply KAYBEAUTY's ONYX Kajal on my waterline. And now I'm going to coat my lashes with L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I'll just quickly finish the other side of my eye makeup and I'll be right back. So for my lip color today, I'm going to apply these two liquid lipsticks. These are Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks. So first I'm going to apply Thick as Thieves, and then on top of Thick as Thieves, I'm going to apply Allegedly. And now I'm going to apply this one. I'll just apply in the center. And now I'm going to set my makeup with Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist.
So this tutorial comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you liked this makeup look, and if you did, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please hit on that bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads. And I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.